So right, good morning, guys. Okay, so the last session. Okay, so we started functions and the few things under function. Okay, so single row function, and in a single row, again there are different types of functions which comes under single row functions. Okay, and now we can see the first function we started here in the last session. So in this we discuss the first function. What is that? ABS function. Okay, fine. And just continue, guys, here. And the next function is called as seal. Continue. So basically this function, guys, here, it returns, okay, it returns a value which is greater. So greater than the given expression. It returns a value which is greater than the given expression. Okay. So for example, when come back to here, okay, now you can see this. So when I'm going to pass here the seal function, and suppose if I'm giving here, so 9.3, some expression I'm passing here. So 9.3 greater value, how much, guys? 10. So 9.3 greater value 10. And in the same pattern, I can use here seal of, so if I give a 9.8 also, it returns again what now? 10 only. So that means seal is always returns greater value for the given expressions. Okay, na? Right now. And the next one is called as what now? Floor function. So, and this function returns, okay, returns a value. So which is less than to the given expression. Okay, now, so floor is quite opposite of seal, and this function, when you want to sending here, so what it was written means this function will be written here less than value for the given expression now. So floor, suppose if I'm giving here 9.8, okay, but it returns the less than value 9. Suppose if I'm giving here 9.2, but still it was returns what now? Less than value. Okay. So this is what floor expression, how it was. So one example you can take, that's enough, because in my material, I have so many examples. Okay. For your understanding purpose, just one example you can take. And the next function is called as a power function. So this function returns, okay, the power of, okay, given expression here. So the power of the given expression. For example, when I want to send this power function, then 2 comma 3. So 2 to the power of 3, how much? 8. So 2 to the power of 3. So it was taking as a 8. And the next function is called as mode function. So mode function, what it will do means it returns the reminder value. Okay, it will returns the reminder value. Okay, so for example, if I was given now, okay, select the mode of 10 comma 2 I was given now. What is your reminder? 0. Reminder is how much? 0. Okay, next. Round function. It returns the nearest value of given expression of the given expression. So here it was sending nearest value, guys, here, and carefully observe. For example, if I'm passing here round function, okay, so 35 point, if I send 45, I was given now. So 35.45. Okay, this is my expression. So in this expression, can you see, guys, here, carefully observe. Okay, here 35 is my expression. Okay, and 0.45. So your point, okay, after point in your right side, how much it was there here? 4. Now this 4, that means 0.4. Okay, it means that. So, but in the right side expression, when the point value, if it was there in the 0.5, so it is equals to or greater than 0.5 will be there, then your expression, to your expression, it will be adding +1. Okay, now, so point after, if it is equals to 5 or more than, okay, 5, then it was adding 1 to your expression. That means in the left side value. Suppose if it is less than 0.5, if it is less than 0.5, then it was adding what now? 0. Nothing was added. It was adding what now? 0. Nothing was added. Okay, now? So now, let me see, guys, here. One second. Okay, right. So now here, when you are given decimal expression, now carefully observe, if your decimal point after your expression will be less than 5, then it is nothing was added to your, okay, the main expression, that means left side value. Suppose your decimal point after it was equals to, otherwise more than, so greater than or equals to, then it was adding here what? 1. Okay, let me see. For example, here you can see my decimal point is that this decimal point after how much value is there? 4. So that means 0.4. So 0.4, which is less than to 0.5 na? Yes or no? Yes. So 0.4, which is less than to 0.5. So that means what it was add? 0. Now 0 you need to add to your 35. So 35 plus 0, 35 only returns. Let you see the same expression is written or not. Yes. For example, suppose if I'm giving here 5.0 I was given now. Okay. Now here after decimal point, what is here? 0.5 is there. So 0.5 is greater than or equals to 0.5. Yes or no? Condition true na? Yes, satisfied. So that means when it is satisfied, condition is true. What it was add? 1 is added. This 1 is adding to 35. So 35 plus 1, 36. So now we can see it was adding or not. Yes, 36. In the same to same, if I'm giving here, suppose I will give 7, 8. 7, 8. Now tell me here. So after decimal point, how much here? 0.7. Can you tell me 0.7 is greater than or equals to 0.5 na? Yes, of course, it is a greater. So greater means what I need to add? 1. So 1 is adding to my 35 expression. Total how much here? 36. So again 36. This is the way your round function, the nearest value will be taken out, depends on 0.5 value. Okay, write down below. Okay, right. And the next one is the next below one, also take it now. Okay, right. This is round function, guys. And next function is called as what now? Trunc. So this function is returns, guys, here. Returns an exact value from given expression. An exact value from the given expression. So trunc function, okay, is quite opposite of round function, because round function will consider 0.5 value if it is your expression decimal point after. If it is equals to 5 or more than 5, then 1 is added. Then it is less than 5, nothing was added. Okay, but trunc function is not like that. Trunc function, it doesn't consider 0.5 value. It doesn't consider 0.5 value. So whatever you can give it your decimal expression, but it was showing an exactly value of your given expression. It means what now? Here observe. So come to your trunk function. Now let me see the both I'm showing the comparisons you can observe. So trunk and round. So here I'm giving 35.45 I was given. Okay. So what I said in the round function, 0.5 after whatever the value was there, this value is considered here. This value will be considered. But trunk function after point, okay, after point, whatever the value is there, this is not considered here. It is not considered here. So that's why you can send it any value after decimal point. You can send any value after decimal point, but there is a not considered. Okay. So that's why it always returns what now? An exact value 35 only. In the same to same, when I'm giving here, so 35.50. 35.50, when I'm passing to my round function, what we said, the 0.5 value is considered and it was adding to 1 to my expression. The total was showing 36. But your 0.5, what I said, the trunk command is not considered. So still it was returns an exactly value 35 only. Okay. In the next one is, if I'm sending here, okay, 76 I'm sending now. So your 0.7 is there, but it is also not considered. So it doesn't consider point values. It was taking exactly 35 only. Okay. Now write down. Okay, so these are some predefined numeric functions, guys. And the next function is called as what now? Character or string functions. Okay, these are all are predefined and basic functions. Okay, if you know good idea on these all functions, then in future queries you can understand. Okay, so character and string function. So in this, my first function is called as what now? So length function. My first function name is what now? Length. Okay, so length function, this function, what it was written a value means, okay, this function written, the number of characters are written simply, number of characters, okay, in the given string expression, in the given string expression. Okay, now, so length function will be counting. So in your string, how many number of characters are there? So those characters will be counting by character or string function length. Okay, how many number of characters are there in the given string expression? So that number of characters will be written by length. Okay, for example, let me see. Suppose we are going to be passing here, so length function, and I'm giving here hello. So hello is my string. Okay, in this string expression, how many number of characters are there, guys? Here, check out now. How many are there? 5 is there. So my string, how many characters means 5 characters. The length was written here. And the string function, even though we can go to use, guys, here, the length of, suppose I'm giving here, so well space come. Okay, here a space also I was given now. So well space come. So now space is counting or not counting means it was count. Space also counting by database. Okay, total how many characters? 7 plus space 1, total 8. Okay, right. In the same to same, even though we can use, for example, this is your table, guys, here. In this table, can you see employee names are there? Okay, fine. Suppose I wanted here which employee name is having 6 characters. Those people data I want it now. For example, so now I'm going to writing like select star from emp where so length of ename column is equals to how many here? 6. The 6 characters name. Okay, so how many people are there here? 2 people are there. Those are what now? Martin and also Turner. These are the 2 people who are having here 6 character people. Okay. So like if you want to find out your, okay, suppose employee name, comma, and now I'm passing here. So length of ename. If you want to see every employee, okay, string character length, how much here? So even though we can go to write like this here, even though we can write like this here. So I want to use now. So from EMP table, then every employee length was finding here. Can you see this? So Smith is having how many number of characters? 5 Allen, 5 Word, Jones, Martin, okay, Blake like this, and Turner 6, remaining all are like this. Okay, now. So this is length function, guys, here. So it returns number of characters here. So any example you have to take. Okay, right. And the next one you can see, guys, here. Next function, lower function. And here pair functions I'm writing to time saving purpose. Okay. So lower and upper. So lower function purpose is what now? So this function will be returns or convert uppercase characters into, okay, uppercase characters into lowercase characters into lower case characters. So this is, okay, lower function. What about upper function? Upper function is quite opposite of lower. So upper function, what it will do, it was going to be converting here, okay, lowercase characters into uppercase characters, quite opposite. Okay, right. So now let me see one example on this. So now if I write here, okay, select the lower of, okay, if I'm giving hello, so hello is my, okay, capitals, but those capitals are converting into lowercase. Now lower converting now, yes or no? So same like this, you have to go for upper also. And next one is called as ltrim function and rtrim function. So ltrim and rtrim. Okay, what is ltrim and rtrim means? Here observe. So these are pair functions we called, and now trim is nothing but what now? Cutting. Yes or no? So what we say to remove, okay, so unwanted characters, okay, characters from the left side, from the left side of given string expression, given string expression. Okay, now? So left side, whatever unnecessary characters are there, those unnecessary characters I can go to remove it here. Okay, now that is L function. Come to next one is called as a R trim. Next one is called as a R trim. It remove characters, unwanted characters from the right side of given string. From the right side of given string. Okay, so in this, for example, so now I'm passing here L trim. Okay, so suppose you can see in the left side, I was given some space and I'm giving like this and from dual. So Sai left side, we have some space and the left side, whatever unwanted spaces or characters are there, those are removed here and displaying only Sai. If you want to understand whether it is removed or not, so then you have to send some wanted character and give Sai, and which unwanted character here X. So that X is I want to remove from my table. Remove from my table. Now you can see Sai was come. Suppose in the same to same, if you send it in the left side, some multiple character numbers like Sai 1, 2, 3 Sai, and here 1, 2, 3, if I send it here, so that 1, 2, 3 will be removed from your left side. So like this you can. Okay, and same as R trim also. Okay, now right. Suppose if you want to take R trim, so this X I'm giving in the right side and remove. Okay, and the next one. So next function is called trim. So this function, guys, here, it's a combination of left and right. So to remove, okay, to remove the both sides, sides of unwanted characters from given string expression. From given string expression. Okay. And this trim, how it will be means, okay, if you pass trim and here you need to pass here, my trimming character should be give first of all, and from the given string expression, the given string expression. So trimming character and from the given string expression. So what is the syntax here? Observe. So suppose if I'm sending now, okay, so select and I pass here trim of suppose x from, okay, now xxx sai some x. So now whatever the x was there, unwanted character from the both sides, and the both sides of unwanted characters will be removed by trim function. Okay. Now, so finally it was showing what now? Sai. So yes, yeah, it's not Sai. As I was given a. Yes, yeah, I and yeah, I. And the next functions are L padding and R padding. So in this L pad and R pad, what is that padding means? Here observe. So L pad is nothing but, so here adding, okay, adding characters, okay, to the given string, to the given string, okay, to the given string on left side, on left side, on left side, if string length, if string length is, if string length is less than 2 user defined length, less than 2 user defined length. So this is what we called as, guys, here L pad. So padding means adding. So adding characters to given string on left side if string length is less than 2 user defined length. The same as your right pad. So that is called a R pad. So adding characters to the given expressions on right side, on right side if string length is less than 2 user defined length. Okay, right. So what it mean here, observe. So for example, let you come back and say this. So we are passing, okay, L pad of, see, carefully observe. I'm giving some name is Sai was given. Sai is a string. The string is having how many number of characters? 3. That means length. What is the length of string? 3. Now I'm giving user defined 10. I'm giving user defined 10. So now you can see this is, I'm going to execute now. So user defined length is 10. My string length is 3. So now tell me your string length is less than 2 user defined length now? Yes or no? Yes. Then what we want to do, we need to add some characters. Okay. Suppose you are not using the adding character, what it was take by default spaces. And how many spaces will take, sir? Left side, can you see how many spaces will take means total 7 spaces will take. Total 7 spaces will take because my length is how much here? 10. So 10. My string length is how much here? 3. So minus 3. So 10 minus 3 remaining how many characters? 7. So this 7 characters, that means 7 times your spaces are adding to which side? Left side. For example, now you need to get some idea. I will give some character here. So now I'm giving at the rate symbol. Okay, I'm giving now, for example, anything you can give it, no problem. So now I'm going to pass. Now tell me, now your at the rate symbol, how many times it was adding to your string? Total 7 times. Let you see 7 times is added a count. Adding now. So 7 times are adding here. Okay. So this is what L pad. Suppose if I'm giving R pad. Suppose I'm giving R pad. Same expression Sai. Same length I'm giving here 10. Okay. And now the character I'm using here. Okay. Percentile, for example. Any character, just for your understanding. Now tell me. So this percentile, how many times add? 7 times. On which side? Right side to your expression. Right side added a. This is what we called as a padding. Okay. Right. Below write down. Okay. The next one. Init cap. The next function, init cap. So this function purpose is what now here. So converting the first character, is capital in the expression. So init cap is nothing but every first character in your expression. Okay, whatever the first character will be there, the character will be converting as a capital. Okay, for example, let me come back and see. Now I am passing here. So select init cap. That means initial character is a capital. Suppose I'm passing hello. So hello is my all are small case characters I'm sending. So once I executed this one, can you see, except first character, remaining characters are as it is, but first character will be converting as a, which one? Capitals. Suppose in the same to same, when I was given here init cap, okay, of some names I'm passing like here, Kamal space Kumar I was given now. So what it was happen in this string expression, in the Kamal is having all our a small case character, but initial K will converting into capital. Here Kumar in this word, again K is also small but converting into capital. Okay, now we can see. So now I executed Kamal and space Kumar. Okay, so like this. Okay, init cap will be converting every initial character in the word, will converting as a capitals. Okay, now, so next one you can see the next function is called as a replace. So replace function, this function is going to be using guys here to replace a string, okay, a string with another string with another string. Okay, right. So now you can see the string to another string. Okay, for example, how it is, let me come back and see. Suppose I'm passing my expression replace of, suppose you can see, I was given some expression like, okay, hello, I was given now. This is one string. From this main string, I want to replace, okay, EL, okay, EL, I want to replace with ABC. Okay, now replace with what now? ABC. So what it was happening, you can see, in place of EL, I want to replace with what now? ABC now. So what it was happening, you can see what happened. HABCLO. So that means exactly whatever we want to replace here, EL, that I was taken. Okay, so in place of EL, what it was taken? ABC. Now you can see H place H, EL place ABC will come to you. Okay, and next one more L O. So got it? Understand now? This is what replace. In the same to same, for example, one more. Jack and Joe, I'm giving now. In Jack and Joe, in place of J, I want to replace with the BL. So what it was happen? Black and blue. So wherever J was there, in place of J, the BL will be replacing here. So what it was come? Black and blue. Okay. So this is a replace method or function. Okay, right. And the next one is translate function. The next function is called as translate. So this function, what it will do guys here, it will be translate character by character. Translate character by character. So each and every one character will replace with another one character. Understand na? Character by character. For example, now I was given now. Select translate of hello I was given now. In this hello, ELO, in place of ELO, I want to replace with the XYZ. I want to replace with the XYZ. So that means what it was happened, carefully observe. In this case, in place of E, what it was substituted? X will be substituted. So wherever E is there, in place of E, X will be substituted. So wherever L is there, in place of L, Y will be substituted. And where is O is there, in place of O, Z is substituted. So each character by character. Now can you see this is my expression? Okay. Now tell me H. H is not changing now. As usual H. Next E. E is there, but E place what it will take? X will take. Next L. L place what it was take? Y. But how many L's? 2 L's. That means how many Y's? 2 Y's. Next one is what now? O plus what? Z. Okay, na? So this is HX double YZ. Okay, na? So let me see, guys, here. So HX double YZ. For example, suppose one more. Sir, if I'm giving like EL, comma, MNO, I'm giving now. Here what happened, you can see. So you are replacing characters, how many? 2, EL. But EL, I'm replacing with how many characters? 3. What happened, you can see. What happened? H, E, LL. So here observe. H place is as usual CH. E place what it will take? M. So E place M. Okay, E place M. Next L place N. So L place N. 2 L's na? 2 L's. And O. So here EL only there, but okay, here also na. Now I want to avoid this confusion. Okay, P, Q, R I will give it. Okay. Let me see. Now we can get some idea. Because OO same na, so confusing is there. So now I just execute. What happened, you can see. E place what it was taken? P. L place what it was taken? Q. Now we can see H as usual. E place P. L place Q. 2 times QQ. And what about here? O. And what about here? R. So this R it will be not taken. Why? Because how many characters you want to replace? 2. Then you can give 100, but in the 100, first 2 only taken. Okay, na? Understand na? So that is what here. That's why each and every character will be character by character translating here. So 2 characters, here you can give 100 characters, but none of the matter. It was taking only first 2 characters equals to taken. Remaining all are left out. Okay, right now. This one also take and 2. Okay, the 2 characters also you can take it here. Okay, next text signing substring. Take substring. Okay, observe. What is substring means? Here, observe. It return the required, okay, substring, the required substring from the given string expression. From the given string expression. From the given string expression. Okay, right. So come out and see some examples on this. Now you can see. Select my substring of. So I'm passing here welcome. Okay. So this is my string. From this string, okay, whatever you wanted, okay, from which location wanted, you need a substring. Okay, from which you want it. So here, welcome, how many characters? 7. So that means the characters numbers, how it will be taken means it's a 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Total 7 characters. From this string, I wanted, from where I wanted, for example, I was given 4. This is called a starting position of the character. That means from which character position you wanted your substring. So 4. 4 means which character? 4 means which character? C. C is called a 4th position character. From there, I need how many length of the characters? How many I need? 2. From there, from means C. C. How many characters I wanted? 2 characters. That's what it is here. C, O. 2 characters came now. Understand now? For example, next one. If next I'm asking, I wanted 2. 2 means where it is? E. From there, E, I wanted here 4 characters. E. So E, L, C, O. Okay, now? Next I wanted. So for example, in the next case, I wanted here total 7 now. So 5. So 5 comma 1 I was given. How much? 5th position is what now? O. Then O only returns. Okay, now? Suppose if I'm giving 5 comma, okay, 5 comma 4 I was given. What is the answer? O is a 5 starting. O. O will come, M will come, E will come. How many characters I wanted? But here, how many is there? 3. What is next one? Space. It will take what next? Space is automatically taken. Understand now? So that is called a position of the character. How many characters? Okay. Let me see. So my position of the character 4, comma. How many characters? 2. Let me come out and see from dual. So what is your answer? CO. Clear now? Suppose this is positive sign. Suppose if I'm giving negative sign, guys, here. Okay. Negative sign. So minus 2 comma. Okay. I want to give it a 3. Minus 2 comma. For example, again you have to confuse. Minus 2 comma minus 2. 2 I was given. Now tell me. Minus 2. That means right side to left count. Right side to left count. This is what now? Minus 1. M is a minus 2. O is a minus 3. Yes or no? Like minus 4, minus 6, minus 7. -2. -2 means what now? M. From M, how many you wanted? 2 you wanted. 2 is what? A positive sign or negative sign? Positive sign. Positive means how to count? Left to right or right to left? Left to right. Negative means right to left. -2 is a negative sign. So negative sign will take it what now? This is -2 is a M. From M, was it my positive sign? 2. That means what is my answer? Anybody guessing? M. Very good. M-E. Okay. Let me see to execute now. M-E. Okay. For example, if I am giving here, okay. So positive next, if you give, somebody is asking, sir, if I'm giving negative, what happened? What happened? Now we can see what happened. Okay. It was showing nothing, because the point is substring will not consider what now? Negative value fetching data, not consider, only positive. Okay, right now. So you have anything? Okay, I was clearly given in the notes, but if you have to, you can give it numbers also. Give like your numbers for your no confusion purpose. Left to right, how it was considered? Positive. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, negative. Right to left, what is that? -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay, now? So if you write like this, you can understand. Okay, right. So this is what we call as substring. And one more was there, that is called as a in string. Exciting. In string. Okay, in string. In string purpose is what now, guys? Here you need to return the position. Okay, return the occurrence, the occurrence, the occurrence position of character. Okay, position of character from given string expression. From given string expression. So return the occurrence position of character from the given string expression. Here very important, observe carefully. Substring quite opposite of in string. So substring, what it was taking, from which character onwards you want it, how many number of characters, that we are fetching, we are taking. But in string is not like that. It was showing your position of your occurrence character. Suppose one character position, I want to know it. This character is having in which position in my string. Okay, now. So that was telling by what now? In string. For example, carefully observe. Here one more point. In string, whenever you want to use, here, suppose if I'm passing well, okay, come, if I'm passing here, so in string is always, it's very important point, always it will be considered positive sign values only. Okay, now it's never taking negative. So negative signs, it will be not considered. That means Either you want to find out your occurrence character from the left to right, right to left, whatever it is. But your positions are there, na? Which positions? These position numbers are there, na? These position numbers are what we said here, fixed numbers. It was what? Fixed numbers, either what I'm saying here, left to right or right to left. This point first observe, because if you understand this, you can understand logic. Okay, either you can go to left to right, you can count, right to left you can count, but it was taking only positive numbers. Okay, now fixed positions. These positions are fixed. I can't change. And the position is also positive positions. Okay, now let me see. Now I'm passing in string of welcome. Okay. Now from this, suppose if I want it here, I want it now, for example, carefully observe. But here user is not given which occurrence position I wanted, that I was not mentioned. Just I was given But tell me in my expression how many is? 2 is. But here which occurrence you wanted, that I was not mentioned. Just I'm giving That's why when user is not mentioned, the which occurrence position you wanted, so that was not mentioned, then by default your Oracle server will take a first in first out. Then first what it is? Which position first Second position. Let you see, second position only take it. When user is not mentioned, my occurrence, which occurrence character position you wanted, that was not mentioned, by default it will take a first in first out level. So first position what? 2, the 2 is written. But sir, I wanted second position. Yes or no? I wanted second position, I want to find out. Second occurrence position is how much? How much here? Second occurrence position, how much? 7. 7, okay. 7. Okay, yes, 7. 7. So now we can see, I'm giving now how to take that position here. Now we can see. I wanted which character? Character, that I was mentioned. Okay. And starting position of the character, counting, starting 1. 1 means where it is? W. From W. From W. That means you need to count from W. From W, starting character. Which occurrence you wanted? Second occurrence So second occurrence I wanted. So 2. Now it means what? Observe. So from the starting character, I wanted second occurrence character position. How much? 7. Let me see. Got it? Got it? Suppose next level. If I am giving 3, okay, from dual, what happened? It means what? From the starting character, I wanted third occurrence position. But tell me, third occurrence is there in my expression? No. If it is not there, means what it is returns? 0. Not there, na. Then it is 0 returns. Clear all of you? Now we can see. Suppose if I was given -2, -2. -2 means count from the right to left. So E is a -1, M is a -2, M is a -2. From there, I wanted first occurrence position. From there, I wanted first occurrence E position. Tell me, -2 is nothing but M. From starting M, how many occurrence E's are there? Only one is there. Only one is there. That one position, how much? 7. Fixed values, I said. 2. 2 only. See, 2 only here. Careful observe. This is -2. Yes or no? From there, counter. Which occurrence I wanted? First occurrence. That means this is not considered. This is -2. From there, I want to consider. First E, I want to leave because I'm not considering here. My starting is what? -2. -2 means M. From M onwards, how many E's are there? Only one is there. That I am saying what? First occurrence. First occurrence is what now? E. E position is what now? 2 in the right side. I said positions are fixed. Positions are fixed. Let me see. Your doubt will be clearing. Now, if I was given -2 comma 2, I was given. Now tell me. Now tell me. -2. -2 means what now? M. From M, which occurrence you wanted? Second occurrence you wanted. Second occurrence, which character? E character. But E character is there second occurrence? No. Then what it is returns? Now we can see 0 returns. Point is clear? Let me see one more. Suppose -1. -1. Okay? -1 comma 1 I was given. -1 means from where? From E. From E, which occurrence I wanted? First occurrence wanted. What is your output? You can see 7. Because starting is that, and that is only first occurrence. And the position number what? 7. Okay now? Now we can see. Now I'm giving -1 from there. From there, which occurrence I wanted? From there, which occurrence? Second occurrence. Second occurrence E I wanted. From -1 E to second occurrence E, where it is? In second position. So now second position come now? Yes. And now we can see. Suppose I was given -1 comma 3. -1 comma 3 I was given. What happened? You can see. -1 means E. E from here, how much? That means which occurrence? Third occurrence. So this is first occurrence, second occurrence. But is there any third occurrence? No. So that means 0. Okay, na? So one more time, you should also practice at your home. Okay. Then you will get some idea. Right down below. So don't worry, these all examples was given in the notes also, but this is should be remember guys here. Okay, what do you think here? These values are fixed numbers, either left to right, right to left. So any 1 or 2 examples, take it. Okay. Mm. So these are what now character or string functions. Okay, right. And the next some more functions are there, date and conversion analytical functions. So those we will discuss in tomorrow session. Okay. Sorry, tomorrow not Monday. So tomorrow Ugadi festival. So official holiday and Sunday as usual. And your class on Monday session. Okay. Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.